Hello, welcome to Clidemy, the Climate Academy. This video will provide a brief introduction and guide you through career opportunities in the renewable natural gas sector. We aim to provide effective climate education to 1 billion people worldwide by 2030. The session is divided into two parts. The first part will give a brief introduction to renewable natural gas, while the second part provides information related to career opportunities in renewable natural gas. Section 1. Introduction to renewable natural gas. Renewable natural gas, or biomethane, is a high methane fuel from organic waste, processed to pipeline quality and usable in existing natural gas systems for heating, electricity and transportation. RNG production starts with anaerobic digestion of organic matter from landfills, wastewater plants, manure and food waste, releasing biogas. This biogas is purified to remove CO2, water vapor and impurities, producing pipeline-quality biomethane. RNG significantly reduces emissions by capturing methane from organic waste, converting it into usable fuel, and achieving up to 70% life cycle greenhouse gas reductions compared to conventional natural gas. RNG improves waste management by diverting organic waste from landfills, contributing to a circular economy by utilizing waste as a resource, and improves air quality by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The global RNG market is projected to reach $38.2 billion by 2027 with a 17.2% CAGR. The US leads with over 1,400 operational projects, followed by Germany, Sweden, France, China, and India. Prominent companies investing in RNG include China National Offshore Oil Corporation, Waste Management, Dominion Energy, Adani Group, Shell and Engie. RNG is mainly used in transportation, power generation, building, heating and manufacturing industries. Here are a few case studies of companies producing or consuming RNG. Brightmarker RNG partnered with Fair Oaks Farms, a large dairy farm in Indiana, to build a large-scale dairy digester RNG project. Waste Management operates the large renewable liquefied natural gas facility at the Altamont landfill in California. CR&R Environmental Services, a waste collection and recycling company, built a food waste digester in the United States at the Paris facility in California, consuming 335,000 tons of organic waste per year. Section 2. Career Opportunities. Some job opportunities related to renewable natural gas are RNG engineer, RNG project developer, policy analyst and marketing specialist. Anaerobic digestion microbiologist, RNG carbon credit specialist, and RNG feedstock agronomist are some interesting niche job roles. Here are two sample job descriptions of RNG engineer. And RNG project developer. Here are a few reasons to choose this career. The RNG industry anticipates a 53% job increase by 2028. The global market grows 7.6% annually through 2027, with R&D funding increasing by 20% yearly and competitive salaries are 10 to 15% higher than traditional energy sectors. Essential skills for RNG engineers include chemical or environmental engineering for facility design, expertise in anaerobic digestion and RNG production, and knowledge of biogas upgrading technologies. Practical skills like project management and data analysis for RNG projects and industry knowledge such as RNG feedstocks and production regulations are also required. Here's a summary of what we saw: renewable natural gas, a methane fuel from organic waste, fits existing natural gas infrastructure, reducing emissions by over 70%. The global market aims for $38.2 billion by 2027, with roles in engineering, project development, policy analysis and market specialization. The RNG industry expects 53% job growth by 2028, offering salaries 10 to 15% higher than traditional energy sectors, with essential skills in engineering, project management, and regulatory knowledge. Thank you for watching. This video is a part of the Climate Careers series by Clidemy, the Climate Academy. We hope you found this video useful. Team Clidemy will be happy to know your suggestions. Do send your thoughts and suggestions at tel@clidemy.com. Clidemy wishes you a green career.